How's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii here, live in LA. We're going to try to release a tutorial every day this month, so stay tuned. Remember, in the description of every one of these videos, you can get a free month of Envato elements below. It's amazing. We have in store for you today our next quick tip with Quinn.
Hey guys, it's Quinn. I love doing transitions in my videos, and a lot of transitions are done in post, but there's a way you can actually do some in-camera transitions that, to me, look even better. Here are some quick ways to do that while you're filming, and also show you how I edit them. So this first transition is an up-down motion. Basically, you're gonna take your camera and swipe it from the ceiling down to the floor, and you're gonna wanna slow down when you hit your subject. And when you're editing, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cut when it's at its peak motion so that each clip transitions into each other. And you can mess around with speed and timing and things like that, but you can see here, I cut it right when the clip starts to pick up some speed there. And then you can see how they move into each other. You can do the same thing for the second one. And this is what it looks like when it's all put together. Another one I like to do is swiping left to right or right to left. And this is what that looks like. And finally, I like to do this arc motion or circular motion. And that looks like this. So hopefully you can try this next time you're filming. I love to do it when I shoot events and promo videos. Thank you so much for watching. Also, feel free to check out my Instagram. I post a lot of BTS on how I create a lot of my content. If you head to my latest post and ask me a question, I will be sure to answer. See you guys there.
Quinn, thanks so much again for such an incredible tutorial. It's always good seeing you killing it on the East Coast. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I actually have 2 additional videos that you've got to watch. And remember to get your free month of Envato elements by clicking the link below in the description. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember to keep it chill.